Basically, we design a recipe organizer to help users that they will add and search recipes and manage. In this web application, we have used technologies HTML to structure for the web application, CSS, JavaScript, and Python for backend programming, and Django. User can run this from here, then download GitHub file, and then go to VS Code. Here, type Python manage.py run server. Here is the web app link. Here's the interface of our Ami's Kitchen web application. Now here you can add recipe. Here's a name, biryani, and description. Something you want to add, recipe describe it, put your description, and then if you want to add a picture of your recipe, then you can add from here, and then click on add recipe. Here is you added a biryani number 3 here. Now if you want to search a recipe, then you can name here. Here is a recipe we have searched. So thank you.